the most valuable lesson you have learned so far from this competition?
Well, the most valuable lesson that I've learned here inside of Miss Bikini Philippines is always stay positive and never get